How to share a Temu full wishlist with someone. Let's get started. Launch your Temu app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the homepage. Firstly, I'm going to add any of the item to my wish list. To add any of the item to your wish list, just open that item, scroll all the way down, and here you're going to find this option of product details, and at the right corner of it, you will find this option of save. Click on that option, and with that, the item will be saved to the wish list. Now I can head back, navigate to the option of view given at the bottom. Once you're in the U tab, here you're going to find this options as browsing history, wish list, and follow providers. Head towards the option of wish list. Here you're going to find all the products that you have added to your wish list. Now how to share your wish list. For that, click on this option of see all. So this is your wish list. There's no such option within Temu to share a full wish list. In order to share the item from the wish list, open that item. Then at the top right corner, you will find this arrow icon. Click on it. With that, you're going to find different social media options. Select the one where you want to share. Now you can click on the option of send. Now head towards the contact to whom you want to share your wish list. Click on send. With that, the wish list will be shared. I hope now you guys are clear if you can share a Temu full wish list with someone or not. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.